Hello friends, good evening. I'm Rajan Aluwalia from ICE Careers. We have a big demand for truck drivers from Alberta in Canada. The basic qualification we require is 12th pass and an IELTS band of no less than 5. If you qualify for these two, please visit our office ASAP. We have work permits like blanket work permits ready to go. So please visit us ASAP at 402 The Business Center above Mashriq Bank, just opposite Burjuman Metro Exit 4. Thank you. Or you can call me at my cell 052 411 976. Thank you and see you soon.